man. Hey, boys and girls. Today we're going to be going over, see, what animal is the fastest. I mean the second fastest because I'm the fastest. The first animal we got is this turtle. Alright. Get over to that blue pillow. Whoa, man! You're too slow! Next cat. This one's a cat. Don't do cat abuse, Serenity. You're too slow! This last animal is a giant bear. Whoa, he already made it! You're not slow, so we gotta go fast! Go! Go, bear! You're too heavy! As we observe this panda bear, you can see that... Wait, what's that coming up ahead? Sorry, guy, I need to borrow this panda. Alright, panda, how fast are you? Oh, man! You're actually pretty good. But you're too slow. We gotta go fast. Well, pretty fast.